everyone, today I'm going to go over how to put a custom field on the page. This is what's known as using data providers. So the example we're going to go over today is I'm going to make a custom field called brand, which is going to be a text field, and the brand is going to say what company this is from. So I could say Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts, any other coffee maker. Alright, so we have a list of steps to get started. The first thing we do is create the custom field and make sure the B2B community is enabled. So we're going to do this on the CC product, and I have the brand right here, and here's the API name. If we go to set field level security, what you want to have is this B2B storefront registered users, and you want to have visible turned on. So that's the first step. The second step is to create a visual force by include end page. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to open pages, do new visual force page. I'm going to call it product detail BIE. Hit OK. Yep. And we're going to save that. And I'm going to take all these attributes, I'm going to steal them from another page. I'm going to add them over here. Alright, and then we're going to go back to this page and we're going to do view page source. And now I'm going to look for a template. And I'm going to look for that product detail specifically for that. Okay, here we go. Product detail desktop. This looks like what we need. So I'm going to go to the end script tag. And I'm going to copy everything until we get to the top. Alright, that looks good. I'm going to save it. And I'm going to go to CC admin. So our next step is to include the body include end page in our CC admin settings. So CC admin, go to default store. Go to configuration settings, new, body include end, enabled. And the page, we're going to do product details, value true. Body include end again, page include name. And I'm going to copy this. We want to do C underscore underscore and then the page name. Great. Alright, we got that step down. And then we want to create a data provider extension class. So when we get the data back from here, it's not returning brand. It's a custom field. We need to add that into the data provider. So what we need to do in classes, I have some code here. We need to extend the CC service product. So new Apex class, and then I'm going to paste that in there. I'm going to save it. So basically we're just getting the objects fields, we're appending brand, and then we're returning the map back. And I want to give you a notice about errors. If you forget this comma right here, you might not see it, but there's a comma right here. You need this. If you don't, it's gonna crash. If you have not a field, if you have something that's not a field, it will also crash. So you need a real custom field or field, and you need a comma at the beginning. All right, and then the next step is just to go into CC Admin, Store and Service Management. All right, so I'm gonna go to Service Management. I'm gonna copy this name. And I'm going to go into this data services class, and I'm gonna see where I can override it. So right here, if you ever make a mistake, if it says CC service product, just put CC service product in there. And instead of a C dash underscore underscore, you just do C dot. That includes for data service providers and logic providers. Alright, it looks like we have all the changes. Now we go to global settings and build the store again. Okay, the store has been built. I'm going to activate it and deactivate the old one. And there's a piece of code I want to put in the product detail. And that's going to be a log this, because I want to see what's going on. We should be able to put it right here, log this. Because I want to see if brand returns. Alright. We're going to go back. I'm going to do Control-Shift-R. Everything should look the same. I didn't change anything. Alright, and then I'm going to go into Inspect, Console. We have this object here. And since I added the product, we're going to go to the product, the prod bean, and I should see brand. So before I made this video, I populated the brand with different kinds of brands like Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts. So this one says Starbucks. So we're going to use handlebars to get this value now and put it on the page. So this is the short description. I want to put it somewhere over here. So I'm going to look for a short description. Alright, right here. And then I'm going to do P brand. Alright, and then I'm going to save it. And then I'm going to do Control-Shift-R. I'm going to do an inspect. It's a very weird error. There's 3. Oh, okay, I see what I did. So I had 3 on this side and 2 on this side. That was the error. Alright, so now we see brand Starbucks is there. And that's how you add a custom field to the page.